To add your logo or brand images to your business profile, start by clicking the Vendor Admin button. Go to your Brand and Media tab. You can add your logo by clicking the Upload Logo button, select your file and hit Upload, or simply drag and drop off your desktop. To delete, click the Delete button and hit OK. If you add your logo and the background color is not correct, you can change it by clicking the Logo Background button here and selecting the correct color. If you have a very specific color you're trying to match, once again, click the Logo Background box, click Show Colors and select this little eyedropper tool. Select the color you want to match exactly. You can use the same tool for your accent color buttons. This color will match your buttons and text on your full profile, which is also your website. As you can see, if you go to the full profile, your text and buttons will match the logo and the color you selected. To upload your header image, once again you can click Upload and select from your files or drag and drop off your desktop. To crop the image, you can select Cropped Header Image and then slide back and forth to get the correct size you want and hit Save. Don't worry if the image does not look exactly like you cropped it. Everybody's browser is a different size. But when you go to your profile page or your map page, you will see that it's exactly how you cropped it. Next, you can add a video. First, before you add the video, you're going to want to upload and process through a streaming service such as YouTube or Vimeo. I have a tutorial on the playlist that shows you how to do this through YouTube. Once you've done it on YouTube, you can copy and paste your link here and hit Add Video. Finally, you have your gallery images. Once again, you can click Upload Photos or simply drag and drop off your desktop. To change the order of the photos, simply drag and drop.